And welcome to the Learning Express in 5 minutes or less tutorial series. This is the one on test prep. I have talked about in previous tutorials the ability to log in, how to create an account through the State Library of Kansas, and I've talked about centers in general and my center specifically, and how to use those to drill down into finding the information that you need. Today I'm going to talk about how to find tutorials or test tutorials. So these are going to be ways to take maybe college admissions test preparations. So they've got ACT, SAT, AP tests, and more. I believe they also cover the TOEFL, IBT, and IELTS tests, the PSAT. So, not just the ACT and the SAT and the SAT. We're going to click on the SAT test, and we're going to go to the SAT reading practice test. And here we have several tests that you can take. You'll see 4 of them here. These give you a realistic testing environment to practice in. So basically what we've done here is we've clicked on Start Test. It tells you a little bit about the test, how to take the test. You can choose the test mode. This is going from the bottom up. Learner is probably the way you want to do it the first time. There's no timing. You get the answers along to each question so that you kind of learn what the different questions are going to be like and that kind of thing. Practice tests can be timed, does not have to be, but the timer will display, so it lets you know how long you have taken to answer the test, because the real test will be timed. And then a simulation, once your time is done, you are finished. You get no more time, so it'll be just like the simulation. So once you choose those, you click on Start Test and the test begins, and you can either go along slowly, learning as you go as a learner. You can do the practice test and see how you do and get some good feedback, or you can do a simulation test and get the exact same kind of environment that you'll see when you go and take the test for real. And the nice thing about this is there are 4 practice tests. You can do them as many times as you want, and you can do them in any combination of different ways. So this is a really valuable tool for those of you who might be finishing up high school and looking at taking those ACT and SAT tests. The books are very expensive, and this is a nice way to get that same information for free and with even better simulation of the environment than the book can give you. So that's it for today. This is the short one. So thanks, and be sure and take a look at all 4 of the Learning Express tutorials. There may be more coming, but for now, that's it. Thanks.